time I should have worked 3 times for one money. That not right. You pay me for the next one? Eh? You not even have dry shit on your body, boy, yeah, man. So what you say? Am I going good? Yeah. You want more artists? Yeah. You want more artists? Yeah. You don't answer. You want more artists? Yeah. What it look like we don't work, you know. You want more artists? Yeah. How much artists you can take? Now, hold on. He might go on like him wicked, so I'm going to make life hard for him. Eh? Go on a foreign, go take him. Hey.
No, as some brother down at St. Thomas there, no.
Clarendon too. What Clarendon want him take off in clothes and hang up on line.
Yeah, them fit stop them sitting there, no. Good. Yeah, some run it, they make me tell you what it have. Yeah. Listen where we have to say today. You have some brand new style with some boy you promote. Do not stop fucking good, do not stop fucking good. Brand new style with...
Low, play it here with you. Pan the river, pan the bank, inna the grass, back of the tank. Boy, you took boat and a go like a prank. Hold it.
Hey, you know what, Magen? You know what, Magen?
What?
Me say me want go for in, and me no passport. Me go up on a boat, What? Yeah, boss. Hey,
Me can't even give them a recite, you know. Eh? You know? Give them. You don't want to rest? You don't really want it? Hold the goat by the yarn, looking at the goat. I say, you turn me on. Now tell them.
Hey, hold on.
Hey, yes, well, Mr. So what's your brother in that blue shirt? Hey.
Hey, hold on. Hold it there. Hey, you know, say down one district there, one man see one brother molest one goat. And he come in that district and say, yes, goat attack. And the brother depend, what? Depend, yes, goat attack. And him say, boy, all right. He go one brown one ears. Got one brown goat ears and come so. And he say, what you say, if he ask the black one? And when he go over to the black one, the brother no, lie! No ask that one, then nothing! To lie! Yes, boss.
You see, brother, I'm a good brother, you know.
Eh?
Yeah. One time when he in their town, we get a work for him up a zoo. And then he about the animal feeding. And then tell him, say, we're going to let you go or send you go to prison. And I say, yeah. You see when him there,
Yeah.
them, the boss look at him and say, you see them 3 rooms there? That room they have in 15 quarter rum. And you have to drink it. You see that room here? It have in a lion and one of his teeth rotten. And we want to put him back in his zoo, so you have to take it out. And you see that room there? It have in a girl when no man never make ball it, and you have to make she ball. And he said, "Sure, that's a simple thing, man. And then go in a place and drink coffee, 15 quarter rum, and come out the pan." So, our next. So let's see room there with the lion. It's when he go in a room, table kick over. Everything I turn over and then people say, yes, either lion teeth come out. Yeah. Our man dead. Yeah. Then just about 15 minutes after, and just bust the door and just come out and drop in pants. Where girl there with the rotten teeth?
that means he switch around. Yes, boss. Me pass the test, sir.
Pass the test. Pass the test. You ever hear about that? You never do a dope poet yet. You ever do dope poet yet? You just poop. Run the rhythm. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't tell him when I go game. I want the wickedest dope poet you ever say. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you D.Y.C.R. What the rhythm? You just have a problem. Because if you can't do it, remember this. GP, Kid Ralph, walk, prison.
Run the rhythm. Fire! Daughter! Them are going like the Rasta man, not like hot girl too. But galang go on charm. Your breast stiff like maca. And it a juke out me eye. Fire upon a sucker. Fire on a banana sucker. Fire upon a bow.
Hold on. Come here. What is your Christian name? Hold on, brother. What you say a while ago? You find out, you're not going to find out if me wicked coming out do it. Eh? Oh, you know I'm wicked? Yeah, woman? Hold on. Up there. When you up there? Now, hold on. Last night, hold on. Shh. We got to clear a point here. We have to know where you're up to. Last night when you and the brother do it, what you said to him? You don't say nothing sweet, you nasty wretch.
Yo! Yes, boss.
Hey! Hey! Run. Take for instance, say one of them people that decide to turn Christian. Everybody decide to turn Christian. What that's sound name? World Talk. Not alone can talk to the world. And then get Reverend VB to come play upon World Talk. Before they say world song about World Talk. You can imagine the amount of chatterbox upon that.
Hey! Hey, it coming like Stone Love. Hey, you know what they sound? You don't know where selector say, no? I'll Stone Love now when you roar it, hold the mic and just, yo, she out you are, that should cruise out to you. Yo, Jim, we written out you are, that should cruise. When just say, no, you're nothing.
All right. Yeah, try to cut it out.
That brother, them out big like back pocket and full of teeth like Zippy, man. Hey, watch me and hey, me I go ask you something now. I go and ask you something. Shh. Me I go ask him a serious thing, you know. Me? Hold on.
Any man make close you man a good man. What you make for man?
No, man, me I go ask you something. It's a serious thing this will clear up a point, you know, you know.
Yeah, a point of a clear man.
Yes. 12 man a walk. 6 Ghana church. You? 12 man a walk. 6 Ghana church. And 6 Ghana lick bottom. Why song with him in a sing I church? You see it, you don't know because you're going with the next 6. Yeah.
Shackle, you know World Talk bust them until when that's a steam
Yeah.
like a kettle.
I'm on a World Talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep quiet. The officer speak. The point is clear. Jesus love the little children. Don't at church with it there.
I'm on a World Talk.
Eh? If you're at church, you don't know what I want.
I'm on a World Talk.
No. Who does that?